Good morning. Happy Saturday. All right. So, I got to get more consistent, guys. But my work schedule is so busy between work, medical appointments, school. I'm in school now also. And I go to I get massages. So my massages and all that, it has got me so busy that I hardly have time for anything else. But today's Saturday, I decided I'm gonna pick this camera up and I'm going to do some content. So I don't know if I told you guys about this before. I actually had laser. It's called diolite laser. I had that done on my face to get rid of some of those moles that was on there. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. But if y'all can see right here, there's one that the doctor missed when she was doing it. And like these two, they were bigger, so she did say that the bigger ones might need more than one treatment to get rid of them. But and then I have like on my eyelid here, which she could not do because she didn't want to risk damaging or injuring my eyesight with the laser coming that close to my eyes. So, but and then this one right here may need a second treatment, not sure, but that was also a big one too. So, but overall I'm much more happier with my skin and my face. I have to make sure and keep sunscreen on it when, you know. And I never realized, but you do need to put sunscreen on. I just never thought that people of color needed to do that. I've never done it before, so, but I'm going to make more of an effort to do that. Since I got the laser, I have been putting sunscreen on my face daily, several times a day. So I'm doing better with that. But what's on the agenda today is, first of all, I need to go to the post office. My grandbaby is due in April, my birthday month. And I bought some more stuff. It's like every time I go to the store, I see something for her, I gotta buy it. So I bought some more stuff. I'm gonna mail those out to my son. So that's what I'm about to do right now. And this is the outfit for today. It is from Fashion Nova. So it's basically these like leggings and the top. It's a set, and if I can find the name, I'll put the name on the screen. It's not sponsored, but hey, if you like it, go ahead, get it, check it out, and hopefully one day Fashion Nova will come my way. All right, peace. All right, so post office is done. I'm heading back home to pick up my daughter. She wants to get some stuff from Starbucks, so I'm gonna get her, take her to Starbucks. So yeah, I am back home from Starbucks, and this is my grande cafe latte with 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup. And I'm going to add 2 scoops of my Orgain collagen peptides to it. And I drink this every day with either in a latte or tea You can also have it in a smoothie, but I like to have it in hot drinks because it melts down to me easier in the hot drinks. So I just add, that's 1 scoop. That's the 2nd scoop. And please forgive my stove and stuff. I'm not the one who usually cooks in here, and the individual that cooks has a hard time understanding to clean up the stove. But I guess that's the difference between women cooks and some men cooks. So, and I'm gonna grab me spoon, and I'm just going to mix that up in there. And then it is good to go. Put my top back on. And here we go. Delicious. Oh, I also forgot to show you guys this. This is my closet that we keep the groceries in. It's in the kitchen. I really need to figure out some way to organize this better, but yeah. But I got a gift from a fellow YouTuber, and this is what she sent me, and I am so appreciative and thankful for it, because she does know that I'm trying to get, and it's not focusing, but there you go. She does know that I'm trying to be more organic, and so I got 4 of those. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna put her name on the screen, her YouTube channel on the screen. But thank you, thank you, thank you for sending me those items. I went and picked them up, so thank you. So I forgot to show this earlier, but I bought me an extra binder off of Amazon, because the one I got from when I had my surgery gets pretty, I wear it often, so I do need to have something like extra for when I do take that off and wash it. And I don't wear my binder, well, I don't have to wear it 24 hours a day anymore, but I'm just so used to wearing it now that it doesn't bother me if I wear it all day long. So that's the binder I bought from Amazon. And then I just put on my waist trainer from Keisha KR. I love it. I love wearing it. And I do notice that when I put it on, it does give me a little bit more cinch in my waist. So hopefully I'll be able to get my waist even more cinched, which I've been thinking about. I've been thinking about getting surgery done to you know, get rid of the fat and get my waist cinched, get rid of the fat that's still left on my stomach, my back. And then right here I have on the sides of my breasts, I have like fat now, which I never used to have before. But since the reconstruction surgery, I noticed that I do have fat on the sides there now. So, and then I would like to get the fat from my arms done. And then I think I told y'all this before. When I had chemo, my booty shrunk. So I don't have much of a derriere anymore. So hopefully I'll be able to have surgery and get that done and get it to look a little bit more of what it used to be. But yeah, so, and I'm about to go out again to I want to go to the nursery, the plant store, nursery, to see if I can find me some herbs and plant, so I can plant them, put them in like in mason jars and put them up on my window ledge. So I'll about to go do that. I went to the nursery and I'm back, and this is what I bought. I have some eggplants, peppers, thyme, some spearmint, mojito mint, rosemary, sage, and then I also bought some more, and they're outside here. Some more peppers. Got Scotch bonnet peppers, scorpion pepper, and another type of pepper. And then I got some celery, cilantro, that's another mint, and some more eggplant. And that's my curly parsley that I had from before. And it's been out here and it's doing well, even when with the weather being cooler. So, and down there is my culantro, which actually is also doing pretty well. So I can zoom in so y'all can see the culantro right there. So yeah. So I decided to do a search of my YouTube channel's name, and that's my channel right there, and discovered that someone else has decided to use the same channel name. So I'm going to be taking care of that. I'm going to change my channel's name and make a custom URL. So people, just as word to a wise, be careful when you're doing your YouTube channel name, because there are people out there that's going to try and take your channel's name.